Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best wax strips is probably one of the most convenient ways to achieve smooth, hair-free skin at home. These ready-to-use strips promise a quick and easy hair removal experience, but do they live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of wax strips, exploring their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value, so you can decide if they're the right choice for your beauty routine. Number 5. Tress Wellness Bikini Star Wax Beads Kit. Introducing Tress Wellness Wax Beads, specially designed for sensitive skin. This product has been dermatologically tested to ensure safety. It's the perfect solution for at-home hair removal. This Brazilian hard wax is ideal for coarse hairs. It's perfect for your bikini and underarm area. The hard wax removes even the most stubborn hairs, while being gentle on your skin. The kit includes a 1.2 pounds bag of specially formulated bikini hair removal wax. Also included are 12 application spatulas, everything you need for a smooth waxing experience. The wax beads are dermatologically tested and certified by an independent testing facility. This minimizes irritation. The company never tests its body waxes on animals. This specially formulated hard wax beads can be used at your perfect temperature. The smoothest formula strip-free wax glides on for the smoothest home waxing application experience. The awesome waxing guide was created in partnership with practicing estheticians. It's jam-packed with useful tips and tricks for both beginners and veteran waxers. What we like? This kit uses hard wax beads, perfect for coarse hair. It's also dermatologically tested, ensuring it's gentle on your skin. If you're looking for a complete at-home waxing solution for areas like your bikini line, this is a great choice. It provides everything you need for a smooth, professional finish. What people say. This wax is really good. It doesn't crack at all, has a good dry time and gets every hair. I have sensitive skin and I got very little redness or irritation. The beads melt smoothly, the formula is great for sensitive skin, and it makes waxing easy and manageable. It removes hair well without being overly harsh. It heats up very well and is super consistent. Nice big bag and super sticky beads. Number 4. Waxkiss 200 PCS Body and Facial Wax Strips. These are Waxkiss non-woven wax strips, perfect for both body and facial hair removal. They come in a large size, and you get 200 strips in total, offering great value and versatility for all your waxing needs. Each strip measures 2.7 by 7.9 inches, providing ample coverage for larger areas. You can also cut them to size for smaller, more delicate areas, making them ideal for various body parts. Made from a durable non-woven fabric, these strips are designed for use with soft hair removal waxes. They are strong and resistant, ensuring they won't tear during use. These strips are compatible with a variety of soft waxes, including cartridge waxes and natural honey waxes. They effectively remove hair without getting soaked or falling apart. Use them on large areas like legs, arms, and back, or trim them for smaller areas like the face and bikini line. They are perfect for both home and salon use. What we like? These strips are designed to be used with soft waxes. They are large and non-woven, making them durable and effective. If you are looking for a versatile product that can be used on various body areas and with your favorite soft wax, you should consider these strips. They offer a convenient and customizable waxing experience. What people say. These strips are made from a high-quality non-woven material, which is gentle yet effective at removing hair from the root. The strips are durable and can be used multiple times in one session, maintaining their strength and effectiveness. They are the perfect size, and easy to cut down to size as well for underarms or smaller areas. Number 3. GiGi Body Wax Strips, Pre-Waxed Kit. Introducing GiGi Body Wax Strips, perfectly sized for easy and efficient hair removal. These strips are designed to remove hair as short as 2 mm, leaving your skin smooth for weeks. These pre-waxed strips are enriched with honey extract, making them gentle yet effective. It's a natural formula that nourishes and hydrates your skin for a healthier look. Simply apply the strip, and pull against the hair growth for quick results. Its petite size allows you to reach even the smallest areas, giving you smooth skin in minutes. Get a spa-like experience at home without the high cost. This kit includes 12 strips, good for 24 applications, and a post-wax lotion. It's a trusted brand for smooth, hair-free skin. GiGi body wax strips are cruelty-free and made in the USA. You can enjoy smooth skin knowing that the product is made without harming animals and is free from harmful ingredients. What we like. These pre-wax strips are infused with the GiGi honey formula. They are designed for easy application and effective hair removal. If you like a ready-to-use product that is gentle on the skin and delivers smooth results, you should consider this. It's a convenient option for achieving salon-quality results at home. What people say. They really get the facial hair without needing to do any tweezing. They are sticky enough to go over areas multiple times if needed. Strips were super easy to pull apart and apply. Number 2. Veet Cold Wax Strips, 40 CT, pack of 3. Introducing Veet Cold Wax Strips. This product is designed to remove hair effectively. It's a convenient solution for smooth skin. This product removes hair in as little as 5 minutes. It's a quick and easy way to get rid of unwanted hair. The strips remove hair close to the root. This ensures longer-lasting smoothness, leaving your skin feeling great. You'll receive a pack of 3, each containing 40 strips. This provides great value and ensures you have plenty for multiple uses. These cold wax strips are dermatologist tested. You can trust this product for your hair removal needs. What we like. This product removes hair in as little as 5 minutes. It removes hair close to the root, providing long-lasting results. If you are looking for a quick and effective hair removal solution, you should consider this. It's a convenient option for achieving smooth skin fast. What people say. Ready-to-use wax strips are convenient. The wax strips effectively remove hair. The product is easy to use. Number 1. NAD'S Facial Wax Strips, fragrance-free, 2-pack. Tired of unwanted facial hair? These strips offer a quick and easy solution. Ready to use, they make hair removal a breeze. Enjoy smooth skin for up to 4 weeks with this product. It provides lasting results, so you can stay confident longer. Formulated for sensitive skin, this product is hypoallergenic and fragrance-free. It's designed to be gentle on delicate facial areas. Perfect for upper lips, cheeks, chins, and brows. This product allows for precise hair removal in all the right places. Featuring innovative contour weave paper technology. The strips are softer and more flexible, conforming to your facial curves for optimal results. What we like. These strips are specifically designed for facial hair removal. They are fragrance-free and suitable for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin and want a gentle yet effective way to remove unwanted facial hair, you should consider this. It offers a convenient and skin-friendly solution for a smooth complexion. What people say. I was happy to discover they work just as well too. And it's quick, easy, no mess. The results were perfect, as if I'd gone to a salon to have it done, but a lot faster. Super easy to use, and they actually grab the tiny hairs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.